This video shows you how to set up your own pricing for sticker size variants. We are going to add custom sticker pricing in just 3 simple steps. So, to do this, let's start with the first step, which is reviewing the default size variants. To see why variant-based pricing breaks down, take a look at this typical product page for die-cut vinyl stickers, where every size has to be set up as its own variant. Open the size dropdown and pick one of the preset options, like the 6 by 6 inch size. Notice how you're locked into whatever sizes the store decided to pre-build. And here's the real problem. When a shopper needs something specific like 48 by 52 millimeters, they hit this error asking them to send an email just to get a price. Let's be honest, almost nobody is going to email you for a quote. They'll just leave and buy from a competitor who shows the price instantly. As you can see, the standard variant dropdown simply doesn't support custom sizes like 48 key 52 millimeters, causing customers to leave. Let's solve this by switching to the custom price calculator, starting with selecting the shape and material for our sticker. Here's the same product, but this time powered by the custom price calculator. Notice how the options panel now lets your customer build their exact sticker instead of picking from a fixed list. To get started with a custom order, open the shape dropdown and choose square, charge, rectangle. The shape and material are now set. Next, let's enter the custom dimensions and quantity to match the exact size we need. For the custom dimensions, enter the width in millimeters and you'll see the price react immediately. Do the same for the length field, typing in the value in millimeters. Notice how the price recalculates on the fly. No page reload needed. Finally, bump up the quantity to whatever the customer needs and the total adjusts instantly to reflect bulk pricing. Your custom dimensions and quantity are now set. Now let's move on to viewing the instant price update, where the calculator automatically generates your quote based on the values you entered. And just like that, the price updates instantly right on the product page with 0 variants needed. No back and forth emails, no waiting around for a quote, just a real number your customer can act on immediately. So why does this approach work so well? Formula pricing gives your customers a specific number right on the product page, not a vague range or a contact form they have to fill out. That real, instant total removes the back and forth and dramatically increases the chance they'll buy on the spot. Let's move on to getting the app on your store so you can start offering instant custom quotes to your own customers. To get this on your store, head over to the Shopify App Store and search for Custom Price Calculator. It's free to install and you'll find the direct link in the description below to add it to any product in under 5 minutes. You can now offer custom sticker pricing that matches whatever size your customers ask for. Hope this saves you some headaches down the road.